Howdy everyone. Today is Saturday, September 18th. It's supposed to be, I guess, that celebrate the J6 stuff, whatever, bunch of crap. So I'm just kind of getting ready to go inside. We just finished up our ride. We did 148 miles from here to Dove Creek. Sherry took coordinating photos facing forward as I filmed it facing rearward. And I know that we've got some beautiful examples of photos here. I'll be launching them in 5-minute clips. I broke them up. It's a lot easier on my viewers if they watch them. You know, my average view time is 2.5 minutes. I'm going to be working on making things a little bit more interesting and keeping myself out of it. And I promise to keep my politics out of these things. I figured out how to build separate video pages now on my YouTube account, so I'll actually have about 5 sites now, and that's kind of cool because now I'll be able to separate y'all from my family videos, from my politics videos, and so on and so forth, and then you can just enjoy what I do. But we had a fantastic ride on Highway 141. We threaded the needle with some rain. That's always makes for fun riding. I did have a VSS error on the way home, or GPS error actually. So I've got some research to do, and I've got to get a hold of Can-Am because I'm sick of it. I really need to be out there touring. I know you just pull over and reset it and go, but I need to see what's causing it. My alignment is perfect. My bike is perfect. There's no reason for this to be doing it. I'm going to try now removing the added tensioner I put on the belt because I'm having a sneaking suspicion that that's causing a backlash in the belt that's just strong enough to throw in a GPS. We've got to read up on it, but and again, I got to check with somebody to see if I can just get those fucking functions shut off. That's all I got for now. I got a loud neighbor coming by in this nasty truck, so we'll talk to you later.